Guys, today I'm showing how to wire up the LED lamps on a TRD Pro grill. These are the 15 bucks kit you get off eBay. Comes 4 lights. Already put them in, you just put it in, it clips in, and you get 4 connectors in the back. And the plan is to run the harness all the way to the fuse box. On the fuse box, I'm gonna enter my wire from here. So I have to drill a small hole here, bring my cable from the bottom, and I'm gonna tap to one of these fuses. So we're gonna find which one in a second. So the kit comes with a harness, which is for the 4 connectors for each 4 lights, the power and ground cable. What you need to buy is this fuse splitter harness. This whole bag is for $5 on eBay. Basically, you remove one fuse, you insert that one in, and you put 2 fuses in place of it here. So before we start, I had to understand how this is wired. Basically, the bottom fuse is the fuse that we removed from the car. So this will be the car fuse, which I drew here. Basically, the car power comes on the left leg of the fuse holder, on the left leg, and then when you insert the fuse of the car, it outputs to the lights. And now with our new junction, our new fuse will be on top, and we'll go to our new lights. Now I have to go to the car and figure out which fuse I could use. Okay, so I turned on the car and I turned on the headlamp. So I need to find a fuse that turns on with headlamps on. The middle one, so the bottom 2. I don't want to touch the ECU one, so I'm gonna go here. So the bottom 2. And the bottom 2 are headlamp right hand low, headlamp left hand low. So I'm gonna shut off the headlamp. And now it's off. So that means I could go to one of these 2 fuses, not a problem. And that will turn on my amber lights with headlights. So one more step we need to do is we need to remove one of the fuses that we're gonna use, and I need to make sure which one is always on and which one is output. So I'm gonna take out the bottom one. So this is the hot side and this side is the low side, so we know the power is on the left leg. So basically I need to orientate this guy like that, facing down. Left leg on the power in. So before I put it in, we're gonna put the headlight fuse here. So that's a 10 amp. So 10 amp on the bottom. And I'm gonna use 5 amp for the amber lights on top. And I'm gonna insert it in. So next I'm just gonna drill a small hole in the plastic so I route my wire through. It's a single wire, so a very small hole is sufficient. You can see it here. So that's where my wire is gonna come from. So the rest is really easy. You're just gonna rub the cable. So I'm gonna connect the 4 lights here. So here's what we need to do. We need to separate this because my ground have to terminate here. My ground will end here and my positive is gonna go around. Power cable in the hole that I made. Just like that. positive. Use my crimper here, or you can use regular pliers. This wire is really thin, so I may even solder it. Actually, it's okay. Okay, the ground's good. The plus is good. So I'm gonna seal the hole with some silicone. You really don't need it because it's facing up. But you could measure. Now I can cover my fuse box. Latch as well. And here you can just zip tie this cable anywhere you want. And it's all good. Hi guys, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if this helps.